Hi Sammy fam. Today we're going to make some crispy, spicy, air-fried cod sandwiches. So to start off, we're just going to make a seasoned flour mix. Flour, garlic, the last of my cayenne pepper, salt, and Old Bay. I didn't add too much salt because Old Bay already has salt in it. Give that a good little mix. I have some supposedly sustainably caught fish. A little tricky to open, but worth it. I just buy these in big bags because they're good with so many flavors and so many different preparations. I'm going to go ahead and spray down the interior of my air fryer so I don't stick the fish to the bottom, because they're going to go right in the flour. And then right into the air fryer. First, we want to give them a little pat. Don't want them to be too wet. Into our seasoned flour, give it a good coating. And this is literally all it needs for a great crispiness and amazing flavor. Into our air fryer. Just checking, making sure I got all the nooks and crannies. Another dip. Now we're going to go 400 degrees for 10 minutes and just check and flip them about halfway through so you get an even cook. I'm going to chop up some chives for our sandwich. Looks like miso wants a little bit. I don't think you really like onion, buddy. But it's fun to play with. This is just going to be a nice oniony kind of garnish. And it adds a little bit of green to the dish, which I think is visually pleasing. Sometimes in cooking, I know I forget that we have both a palette of flavor and a palette of color to play with. A mild cheddar and some pepper jack cheese. People like to say that fish and cheese don't go together, but they do. I have some butterhead lettuce that I'm going to chop up. That's kind of going to be the nice bed for our fish. And I have my delicious green mayo I made the other day. You can find a link to the recipe down below. This beautiful hoagie roll. Our fish is ready. Doesn't that look good? The color on it. This is almost like a po' boy, really. Our spicy, green, creamy mayo. Really slather it on. This is going to be a lot of the moisture and delicious, fresh, spicy flavor. And ain't nobody want no dry sandwich. A generous helping of lettuce gives both flavor and texture. And our fish fits perfectly. Cheese on top. And don't worry, yes, we will melt this. And our chives. It already looks beautiful, but after, 2 to 5 minutes under the broiler, this depends on your oven, it'll look even better. In she goes. And right back out again. Look at that. That is... My mouth is watering just watching this. Hey, and it's perfect to share because you got 2 pieces of fish straight down the middle, cut it in half. But I'm going to eat this one myself. Guys, healthy doesn't have to mean it tastes bad. This tastes delicious. Of course, I guess it's only moderately healthy with the mayonnaise and the cheese, but let's just pretend for a moment. I feel pretty good about it. Thanks for watching.